So we just got done talking about filtering within a pivot table. And I'm going to go ahead and clear my filters for a moment. I'll go back to my row labels here, the little drop down, and I'm going to clear the filter. That's off of the type, and I'm going to do the same thing for my salespeople. And I'll go up here to my month, and I'm going to clear those out as well. I'll just go back to all. Now, again, a very accessible way to filter the pivot tables, little drop down arrows, just like you filter anything else inside of Excel. Well, you know what? This is great, but we do need to know a little bit about a filter command within Excel to perform these operations. I want to make this even more accessible so that anybody that comes into my Excel pivot table can jump right in there, doesn't have to know anything about filtering inside of Excel, and they can perform a filter on my pivot table. When the 2010 edition of Excel was released, Microsoft developed a tool called the Slicer. And the Slicer is a more robust and more accessible interface to filtering the results of your pivot table. Take a look. This is how you create and work with a pivot table slicer. So first step, I'm going to click into my pivot table. Doesn't matter where. I'm going to go up to my Analyze tab, top of my screen. About halfway through, you got a section called Filter. And I'm going to insert a slicer. So first step here, as I insert a slicer, I now get to pick how do I want to slice or how do I want to filter my pivot table. Well, you know what? I've got product and salesperson out there already. I got month. Let's grab the region. I'll select region. I'm going to hit OK. And this is my slicer. It's a kind of a dashboard element, a nice accessible little interface here where all I need to do is click on one of the values like north and it filters my pivot table. I'll grab west. Got Bishop in the west who sold these. I got central. Ooh, Lee and Watson are part of the central region. I'll hold down my control key and select south. So now I got south and central all together, just control click, and it got it all right there. But a nice, accessible user interface to be able to interact with this table and quickly filter the results. This is your slicer tool. And again, all you need to do, click into the pivot table, go to the Analyze tab, and insert a slicer. Grab one of your columns, like this time maybe I'll grab the year. I'll hit OK. Now I've got two slicers, year and the region. I can resize these guys. Let's make them a little bit smaller, or perhaps I want to stack them on top of one another. And I'll select 2014. There's my data. I'll grab West. Let's grab 2013. So now I've got two little slicers here where I can interactively and very accessibly access the filtering portion of our pivot tables. Let's try this one out. Create that more accessible environment for anybody that comes into your reports now. A quick little slicer. Click into your pivot table, hop up to the Analyze tab, insert a slicer, and now you can have this nice little interface to be able to filter your pivot tables.